guys. Welcome back. Today, we'll just look at Reliance, which has been a good case study in intraday. In the morning, we took a shot at around 2566 or 2550 levels. I had mentioned earlier that Reliance is a good shot below 2566, so we shot at around 2550. However, we exited near this second large duff bar. Basically, this is the duff bar and this is the die bar. We entered on the duff bar at the beginning of the duff bar, here middle at the middle of the duff bar, and then we exited around 2507, and we were happy with the result. Below which the stock has, if you notice, the stock has remained almost below this level throughout the day. Okay, so what is the structure? What is the market structure saying here? When the news came that there will be some export duty on petrol or diesel fuel exports, that was positive for some and negative for some. Especially for airlines, it is positive. However, for local players, it is negative. So Reliance, despite being an index stock, it has been shunted down. But one thing you have to keep in mind is whenever a stock like Reliance falls, you should not trust the fall all the time. Basically, whenever a stock like this falls or whenever there is a news flow, large players will look for areas where they can buy. So in my Telegram channel last week, I told you that 2420 is a key level where Reliance has to visit. Whatever reason, it has to visit there because it is like a magnet. And you see that once we reached that magnet, there was a lot of buying from large players. Okay. And once they are done with their inventory, they wanted more. So they spent the entire day buying here. And then now you see that the stock is trying to come back to that zone where the entire buying happened. So basically, if you look at the profile of the move from here to here, it will be one that of accumulation. Now, what is the way forward? As we are speaking, there was another news which is, I am not sure whether it is confirmed or unconfirmed, that the DGFT has clarified that the fuel hike is only for certain entities and not for export oriented units or ACZs. Now in bookmap, how does this structure get credibility? That means how can we see what is happening within the market, within the candlesticks? So here you see that there was a lot of buying in the morning, and then most of the day there was kind of a two-way flow, mostly buying. You see all our green bars, so all buy orders at markets were taken. And the more important point is during the late part of the day again it fell, right? When it fell, there were very good chunk of orders taken here at 2386 levels, at 2386 levels. So here there is a chunk of levels, and that is indicated here. You see that there were some kind of 40,000 and more orders at 2380 and 2376. So basically I am looking for another move above 2420. If we go above 2420, we can see even 25, 75 and 50 levels. However, now we have only half an hour or even 20 minutes for the market to close. So mostly on Monday, I'm expecting a gap up and a move on the upside. However, we need to be very careful that the day low should not be broken. If day low is broken, then we will see a number of stop losses getting taken over at the down levels. However, you see that there is a big buyer sitting here with 5 lakh order at around 23.25. So he is expecting the market to fall again. So there is a lot of demand at lower levels. So we need to keep these things in mind when we are trading. Just blindly trading to candlesticks or any other fundamental data is not professional. So bookmap, basically, I like this software. It provides a bird's eye view of where buyers are coming and how they are performing. Now, what is the way out for the rest of the day? I think it will close somewhere here at around 2420 levels. However, on Monday, I am expecting a gap up or a move upside depending on what large players want to do with the market. However, I will also keep in mind this buyer who may want more inventory. So he or kind of most of the players who have kept those 5 lakh worth of orders in cash segment. This is not futures, this is cash segment. So these people are long term players and they are accumulating at pockets here. So this is one good piece of information that I'll carry here. So another thing that I wanted to say is between 2420 and 2380, basically in this range, you will see from tomorrow we may even form a continuous range. That means if large players want to buy more, they will kind of keep the stock suppressed here, and you will see a lot of buying like this, and once the buying is done, the stock will again go towards upside. However, we need to keep stop losses in trading, because in trading risk is paramount. You need to see where your risk is. Returns will automatically follow. And also you see here there is a nice bulge in the profile. That means a lot of buying has happened here. So this particular zone is going to be a key support over the next few days in Reliance. You can take a range of 2350 to 2450, because these are option ranges. So most of the accumulation will be happening around these levels. Hope this video was helpful. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye.